What's going on, guys? Gabriel with Basic Car Guys here, and today I have another product that I will be using or testing out or whatever. So it is Saturday morning, and I'm supposedly cleaning up the garage because it's a huge mess. But I don't know, I always get distracted. I don't know about you guys, but I really get distracted when I start cleaning stuff, so I don't know. But you know, I thought about using this product a while back. I only ever really saw it online, and then I was at a detail shop earlier today with like products and stuff. Well, not today, but like earlier, and they happened to have this product, so I decided to buy it and try it out. So yeah, the product, like the description says, it's the SONAX Upholstery Alcantara cleaner. Now my BRZ has Alcantara suede seats, and here's the back seat, and the front seat as well has Alcantara, of course, but the back seats are really easy to remove. And yeah, so I decided that I was gonna pull them off. Like, this back driver's seat is really bad. What happens is my kid sits on like the other side, and then he's on, like, you know, whatever he throws or something like that, it always goes on this. So it's really really nasty. It's kind of hard. A long time ago, I think, like when I first got the car, I think this was like I think it was like 8 months after I had gotten my car. I got a my girlfriend at the time like spilled milk on the seat, so this is actually really hard already. I've read some things about it that this stuff will clean it off, so I don't know, we'll see how good it is. Also, you see here, like, it's got some dirt and stuff, like here it's got some dirt and stuff. So yeah, I'm just gonna try it out and see how it works. I already did the passenger side rear, and it's coming out pretty good, but you know, I wanted to see what it was all about. So first, what it says is clean off the seat. Obviously you want to work with a clean surface, so we're gonna go ahead and clean the seat. I have my vacuum here, and we're gonna vacuum out the seat and everything. So yeah, I'll show you guys that. Alright, so yeah, it's cleaned off, it's vacuumed out and all that, so it got rid of some stuff. So as you can see here, I have some type of something, I don't know what it is, and probably might be milk. I mean, this right here is milk from the baby, and this too, so I wouldn't put it past it being milk. But if you can hear it, it's really hard. Like, this is what this part sounds like, and then this is what that part sounds like. So that's really hard. This part is hard. I don't really have too much hope. I was planning on buying a brand new rear seat or somebody parting out by theirs if it's in really good condition or something, but I don't know, we'll see. Like, you know, this the product is not that expensive, and you know, we can test it out. So yeah, so first it says to clean the surface, shake the bottle well, clean the surface, test it out in the inconspicuous area to make sure that it doesn't, you know, stain it. So then it says apply the foam to dirty or soiled areas evenly. So the thing about this stuff, it comes out as a foam, so like it's weird, but like here, and like we'll just do like that part. So you can kind of hear it dissolving into the seat. I have a DI leather and vinyl brush that I'm gonna use to work it in. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and work it in. I'm not rubbing hard. I'm just letting the brush do its work for the most part. But you know, I'm feeling it, and it feels softer. But you know, when you clean suede, it always feels really soft. I can feel like a lot of the little nap is coming up, which is kind of bad. Again, I'm not too concerned. If anything, I'll just wait for someone to part out or something. So I'm just gonna work this in a little bit more. I'm gonna put a little bit on the brush itself. Wow, that went in there fast, and then just a little streak, and then we'll go ahead and just rub it in some more. Alright, so then it says to let it set for like 5 to 10 minutes. I guess so it can kind of lift up the dirt. So we're gonna let this set for 5 to 10 minutes, so it can do its work, do its magic, and then we'll come back and we'll see what it does. So the next step is to get a damp towel. It says like a wet, like a damp towel. So this is like mildly damp. I only use green towels for interior, so that's how I know this towel is good. Alright, so then what it says is to go ahead and wipe off the excessive dirt. Oh man, look at that. I don't know if you can tell, but let me see if I can get it in the light. But just one swipe and it pulled off a lot. So hopefully that's actually dirt and not like, you know, like the dye or whatever. What we're about to find out. So it's picking up quite a bit actually. It's yeah, I'm just gonna show the section, but you know, like it's green, the towel is green right now, so yeah, it's picking up something. So hopefully it's not the dye of the seat, but it's picking up stuff. This little section here, that was pretty gross. Alright. So I don't know how well you can tell on camera, but this was a clean microfiber towel when I started, and you can see like there, some on there. So it picked up a good amount of stuff. I'm not like 100% hopeful that it picked up everything, but it feels pretty soft right now. But again, whenever you wet microfiber, even if it's, even if you wet the suede, you know, it always gets like soft like this, even if it's like hard in my experience. I've tried a lot of things to clean this off, and I've never gotten any luck. I've gotten as far as like just breaking off whatever the stain was. But I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of the seat, and then I'm gonna show you guys, actually I'm gonna show you guys the passenger seat, which was a lot cleaner honestly. And it's still kind of moist from the towel. This top part I did first, like I did in the other video, but it's still pretty moist. I'm just setting it out to dry to give it some time, but so far it looks pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and clean off the seat, because again, it's got stains and stuff like that, and I'm just gonna take care of it that I have the seats out, and clean up like these areas and like this side area and all that good stuff. I'll show you the final product when I'm done. Alright guys, so after some time, here's the seats. This is the driver's side that I did. They're still kind of like moist, which is fine. This is the passenger side that I did. This one's getting a lot drier, but it feels pretty smooth, pretty good. Sorry if you couldn't see that. It's looking pretty smooth, pretty good. This one, again, a little moist. But it feels pretty good, so I don't know. Maybe you know, it worked. I'm just gonna let them dry out. I have been letting them dry, but I guess they're not drying fast enough. But that's gonna be it for that video, guys. If you guys have any questions on the SONAX Alcantara cleaner or whatever, just, you know, drop down in the comments below. I'll be more than glad to let you know like what I feel about it. So far, I think it's pretty worth it. It's really hard to try to find a product that cleans Alcantara. So to have, you know, like a dedicated, sorry, it's like crooked, but to have like a dedicated cleaner, it's pretty cool. Yeah, if you guys have any questions, go ahead, drop them down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you guys for watching. You have a great day. Alright guys, so just a little bonus for you guys. This is the driver rear that I was most concerned about, with it like having the dried up milkshake and all that. I went ahead and cleaned up the leather with Geon leather cleaner. So I went ahead and cleaned up the leather with the Geon leather cleaner, which it's okay. It's kind of not impressive. Then I also followed up with the Optimum leather protectant. I really like the way this stuff smells. It smells really, really good. The fabric itself, I decided that I would go ahead and protect it. And I went ahead and used the rest of, well, not the rest because there's still a lot in here, but sea quartz fabric. So I can go ahead and, you know, get just a little protection on it. Now, again, I wasn't really like hopeful as far as this area was, and if you see, it's still pretty hard. So it's technically it's really ruined, but you know, again, I wasn't really too upset like if it wasn't gonna work or not. Like it was kind of, I would say it's pricey because it's $20. So like to the average person, for just a small amount, like $20 isn't all that great, but $20 wasn't that bad. And you know, I got like a pretty good, I don't know, it still cleaned up the rest of the suede, and I still need a suede cleaner anyway. So I'm not really upset with the product. It does work pretty well for the rest of it, but like this is like almost 2 years old as far as like the stain goes, so there's not really much that I can do there. Because I didn't treat it right away. I kind of did, but I know I treated it really aggressive, really bad. I used like, I think I read somewhere where you can use like a steel bristle brush, and I don't know, I know I messed it up. So I'm gonna look for another one to part out, like a car that's parting out, a limited, no, yes, a BRZ limited that has like the suede and the seats here, so that way I can just go ahead and pick some up. Again, not too upset about it, not like taking it out. But just know that it's not going to take out two-year-old dry milk. I don't think anything is. So with that being said, yes, you guys, this is the end of the video for real this time. So go ahead, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any experience with any of this stuff, let me know. Thanks.